welcome back in this second revision video for chapter 15, visualizing solid shapes. In the previous video, children, we have already seen different terms like faces, edges and vertices of different shapes like cuboid, cube, prism, pyramid, and different types of pyramid, whether it is triangular pyramid or rectangular pyramid. And then we had seen in the previous video finally about tetrahedron. Today we are going to start with sphere, children. Let us first understand what is sphere. We can see a sphere here. It looks like solid rounded object. For example, in daily life we see come across many objects spherical in shape like ball, football, balloon. Okay, these all shapes are spherical. Okay, let's see the joining figure. We can see a sphere. It has only one single face. See children, there is no flat surface, so that we can define that these all are the different faces. So single face is there, one single curved face. It has no flat shape, no flat face. It has only one curved surface, or you can say face. Okay, which is curved. As a football or tennis ball or cricket ball, these all are example of sphere. It has one face, zero edges, as well as zero vertices. Next shape we have, children, cylinder. So in cylinder we can see one curved face is there and two flat faces at the top and the bottom. Okay, it has two edges also, curved edges. Here we can see the edges, the lines we can see here. These two are curved edges of equal radius. Okay, both of them are having equal radius and they are circular in shape. We can see some examples of cylindrical shape in our life, like a shape of water tank, shape of the tube light. These all are the shapes which are cylindrical. Next is children. So here we can see the cone. This is the shape of the cone, and it looks like clown's cap or birthday cap, children. When we celebrate our birthday, we used to put on cap which is conical in shape. Ice cream cones are example of right circular cones. Okay, so cone has one vertex. We can see at the top there is a point. It is single vertex, one vertex. It has one vertex. Second, we are going to see that it has one flat face at the bottom as a base. Okay, one face which is flat, and one more face is there, one more face which is curved, because this is curved region. Okay, the upper part of the cone is curved, so it has one curved face. Now, net for building 3D shapes. And what is net? Net is a two-dimensional shape which, when folded, takes a shape of three-dimensional object. Let's see, children. For example, here we can see a two-dimensional paper, and these all are fold lines. If this paper will be folded along these lines, it will assume a shape of cuboid. So we have to say this is what we call net. So this particular net is for cuboid, net of a cuboid. This is net of a cuboid. Here we can see some more nets. Here, this is net, this two-dimensional image. When we rolled, it will assume a shape of cone. So this is the net of cone. Next we have, children, net of cube. You can do an activity here, children, by making nets and folding them and making them into a three-dimensional shapes. Here we have a net of prism, children. If these all things will be folded, okay, along these fold lines, then it will assume a shape of prism. Next we have net of pentagonal prism. Here we have net of triangular pyramid. This is what we call tetrahedron. Net of a square pyramid, because the base we can see here is a square. When these all four triangles will be folded, they will assume conical shape at the top. Okay, with a single point. Okay, next let's see the net of cylinder. Here we have net of cylinder, children. When the paper will be rolled, then these two circular ends will cover the bottom and top of this cylinder. Here, net of cone we have once again. You can see. So you just have to keep in your mind, and you also can do practical of these all nets and fold it and give them a three-dimensional shape. So here we have the first exercise. We can easily mark. We have to match here that match the following shapes with their names. You can easily do it, children, I hope, because everything is explained by now. So I'm expecting that exercise 15.1 will be done by you, because everything is explained from the conceptual point of view. Here we can see the nets are given, few nets are given, and we have to identify the net which will form a cube. So you can make a paper and fold it. If it takes the shape of cube, then that net will be correct, or else you have to discard the other nets. In the next class, children, we'll start with oblique sketches. Okay, how to draw oblique and isometric sketches. Thanks for watching and have a